హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనము ఫోర్స్ అనే చాప్టర్ నుంచి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ చూద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ సైన్స్ ఏ పుష్ ఆర్ పుల్ ఆన్ an object is called force. So second point is forces applied on an object in the same direction add to one another. Suppose for example, if there is a box, two forces F1 and F2 are acting on the box in the same direction. So then the net force acting on the box is given by F is equal to F1 plus F2. We should add the forces which act in the same direction. Third point is, if two forces acting in the opposite directions on an object, the net force acting on it is the difference between the two forces. Suppose an example, F1, there is a box, two forces F1 and F2, they are acting opposite. F1 is acting in this direction and F2 is acting backward direction. So the net force resulting on an object is given by F1 minus F2. Suppose if F1 is greater than F2, then net force is given by F1 minus F2. We should differentiate from F1 to F2. So we should subtract from F1 to F2 if F1 is greater than F2, or F2, the net force acting on that is F2 minus F1. Suppose if F2 is greater than F1, then net force on that is F2 minus F1. So fourth point, very important point, the net force on an object is zero if the two forces acting on it in opposite directions are equal. So suppose if there is a box, two forces are acting, F1 is in the forward direction and F2 is in the backward direction. These two forces are acting opposite to each other. Then the net force is given by F1 minus F2. If two forces are acting, then F1 net force is 0. The body will, even though the forces are acting, this body will be at rest. Why? Because two equal forces are acting in opposite direction. So fifth point, in general more than one force may be acting on an object. However, the effect on the object is due to the net force acting on it. It means, suppose more than one force acting on the object, however the effect on object is due to the net force acting on it. So in which direction the net force is more, so the effect of force will be in that direction. Thank you friends.